Good morning, all. So yesterday we were saying about some methods. So I was just talking about the aerobic bacteria. Then we have moved towards the anaerobic, right? So how to maintain it? So pre-reduced media. That's just part we have seen, right? Then addition of reducing agents and the candle jar. Till the candle jar we have seen, right? Okay. One small documentary was also there. Just also we have seen about it. Candle jar. That whatever you have to do, kept in the jar, and you have to push like the candle jar. Other than that, there is anaerobic jar also. Anaerobic jar, what is there into it? There we are going to use some packets are being added. It is like the sometimes whenever you have to purchase certain electronic items, some small bags, it is a silicon. Okay, it is also written over there. Small bag is there. Something in case of a particular jar is been prepared, there we are going to put the certain bags which going to continuously release certain gases. One is like a carbon dioxide, okay, and the other it is like a you can keep carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas, or the several kind of a bags are available. That is like a nothing but the chemicals. Char, how it has been successfully done, and it will be just a heavy walled jar with a gas tight seal. It is most essential into our cases. Okay, it should be tight enough. We have to check each of the time, and yes, handling of the jar is very should be convenient. Okay, because when you are going to close each of the so what's going to happen? So we are going to place along with the H2 and CO2 generating system, gas pack system. Here we are not much going to deal with it. Okay, it is the certain the chemicals are bags are prepared. Okay, the basic chemistry we are not right now looking to understand about it, but it is like a sulfuric acid is there. We are knowing. Okay, so continuously it is releasing some gases out of it. So similar to it, it is like a gas chambers are there or the gas uh, bottles have been kept. So it's going to release out certain gases. So these gases will going to increase their capacity, or you can say that going to occupy the space if the oxygen is available. So there will be no much oxygen, and if you having the some, you can say the saturation point. Bag is kept within the jar. it is airtight and locked. So now the capacity of the release of the carbon dioxide out of that bag is also limited because it's going to get saturated. After that saturation, it's not going to release again and again. And there our purposes get solved. Right. So once it has been closed, yeah, when you are going to open it, then the mixing will start. That the CO2 out of it may going to release outside. Okay, but we are going to do generally such things as much as possible in anaerobic chamber. But anaerobic chamber is always not available. It is much costlier. It is just maybe about what just I have seen. I'm going to show you again. It may be a smaller object is there even about the 2 to 3 lakhs rupees. Its general price is higher because a laminar airflow, a basic laminar airflow is starting with a 1.5 to 2 lakhs rupees. So here it is coupled with the carbon dioxide chambers and other are there. So the cost is increases. If you are looking and interested in that part to do more research or experimentations, then we may go. Here in a bachelor's, we are looking to understand certain phenomena. So we are not moving in that direction. And yeah, sometimes I'm telling the cost of the instrument. Right. The reason behind is what? Sometimes wherever you are going or the moving into it, some people may ask about it in an interview also. Some examiners are coming in Viva, they may ask that one centrifuge or the incubator you are using, what is their capacity? It is like a refrigerator we may have at our home. You may know like a 250 liter, 300 liter, 1000 liter, right? The capacity that for your fridge you are knowing. So what is the capacity of our incubator? Right. That some people may ask. Or may they ask about the what could be or the what may be amount or the price is there. You are using the autoclave you have used, right? What is the capacity of that autoclave? That means how many plus can keep. That means it is considering how many liters of their capacity. So such questions is required to be get understand, and that is the most essential training during your bachelor's. Whenever you are going in masters, it is already been understood like that you are knowing basic phenomena. Basic part is already known to you. So we are whenever you are going in a lab, your lab attendant is there. Okay, your supervisor is there, lab supervisor. You have to ask such things to them. Otherwise, it beside to them one called the SOP. It is been kept. All the details related to that instrument may be lying here and there. So just read it out. Otherwise, take the some screen snapshot. If you are not having that much time, take the some snapshot. Okay. Otherwise, how you can get the details of the any instrument? You are not with the SOP. If it is not there, then it is there. Okay. But sometimes total information is not okay. Okay. So such part is there into it. Okay, the air is then replaced with a mixture of H2 and CO2, thus leading to anoxic condition. That means without oxygen, the conditions may going to get created into this part. So first, what we have used, candle jar. We are not looking to use the candle jar, then we are going to use the certain bags we can keep inside. And these bags are reusable because it having the limitations, it's going to release certain amount of the carbon dioxide. Yeah. When you are looking to reuse it, you have to take out this bags. Otherwise, it will be outside. Into like toilets. Right? Toilets. are not with this kind of a thing. Eventually, this government will make it crucial. Because exactly, I would be money to say economic expertise. So, my government is everything that is why I understand. What is wisdom? It must be a also. How many things are there? This is the organism. Where the microbiologists have started at the next stage. Example, let's see. What is that? And let's say, for one, here. So, right? Storms are are- but there's only 99.9%. So what is that when you start to apply, when you start to get the that is what going to come or okay, that is all mentality. So mentality, we want to go and part of such part of it. If so, we cannot add the volatile compound because foam is like outside. After fire, I will dealt with this in more in detail if required time is permitted. Okay. Third method, that is the called the oil overlay method. It is generally used to practice normal. Okay. So what is that overlay? Generally either on a plate or a slab. Okay. So overlaying feels the head. It is like a slant goes in there or a plate is there. So overlaying will not allow the air to get anywhere. Overlaying of the oil or over. So there are not always okay. Because you are going to keep your oil bottom layer. The property gets more. Okay. if you are going to write something for the exam, so overlaying over mineral oils over it, so it won't allow oxygen to be get into the microorganism. This is the very best method, other than oil. For a mineral jar you are using, it's also possible. So this one is a very cheapest. Just overlaying is done, you can go move on. Okay. Okay, inoculations of August land and deep August. It is just a basic method only. Okay, how to? A same part is there. You can overlay also. After overlaying, talking to the medium, where whether it is overlay with the oil before or after you get okay, same you can do speaking. Just we have seen about the candle jar, we have moved to the anaerobic jar, and the second is the overlaying with oil. I hope it's clear. Second one is the anaerobic chamber. Anaerobic chamber is coupled with CO. There is a pumping unit. The pumping unit, what is going to be all chamber what we are seeing. But exactly that, we try to grow the chambers. Not less. Box is there, and here it is the insertion. Over it. So yes, what we are looking to do here, we are going to fed with the carbon dioxide or the nitrogen, generally a gases. Hydrogen, people are not generally using. Here it is like when the hydrogen, we are knowing about the hydrogen gas, right? It is also highly reactive. It is just showing in atmosphere, these are the prominent gases, but we may use the nitrogen or the carbon dioxide because they are not reactive in a condition. Hydrogen gas is itself highly reactive. Okay, so why only we are using these two words, carbon dioxide and nitrogen? Because they are inert in that nature. They are not going to react with any objects what we have added or kept. Otherwise, some people may ask about some other cases also, but should be non-reactive in a nature. Okay. Second point is, so till this it is clear for this how to grow in a first is what media. Number to me, so I can keep my record. You are coming first time in my life. How many culturing of the bacteria? Okay, so anaerobes we have seen. Aerobic part we have seen that. Okay, solid. Yeah. Other than that, it is obligate aerobes or the anaerobes. Okay, some basic part I told that we are not directly going to understand about them. Okay, and we are not concerned about it. But some basic components are there when you are looking to work on the facultative microbes sometimes. That means they can grow in aerobic conditions as well as anaerobic conditions. Okay. So obligate aerobes grow only at the top of such tubes where it is generally been there you have used some anaerobic culture. Okay, but by chance at the layer or a tube the oxygen is able to penetrate because you have prepared the media such which is having less oxygen. So there is a chances of such a bacteria can be grown. Facultative organism can grow at any place. Okay, so when you are working with the anaerobes, and there may be a chance that facultative microbes may start. So how to differentiate one to another? That's the most important. That is, you will go to by doing the exercise, all the processes, but by chance you may get some or if the and your technical error. So which kind of errors you are looking to nullify? That is the important part. This anaerobe will grow bottom of the tube where oxygen cannot penetrate. Within the single tube, when the oiling is the layering is done, even after also chances are there. So anaerobes will grow more at the bottom only, not at any other place. Then the canophytes bacteria require increase the concentration of CO2. Yes, so many kind of bacteria are there. I just CO2 or it is like some bacteria are there. They require higher concentration. Then what they will do? It is like when it is a gas we need to solve some. So many of the bacteria are there. Okay. Gas concentration is here. The CO2 is 5 to 10% and approx is 15% oxygen is required because it's a facultative microbes. Both the thing is required. So limitations is are coming. So there it may be coupled with a mixture of gases. So same anaerobic chamber are being used for the cultivation of such anaerobes to or to facultative microbes. So you can control using the vacuum pump is being coupled with the valve. Within the valve, it is automated as well as manual. Both are coming. That how much CO2 is transferred, how much oxygen it is being transferred. According to our microbes, we have to follow certain rules. These conditions can be achieved by the candle jar with using the 3% carbon dioxide or CO2 incubator or jar or bags. Yes, here the one important phenomenon is coming as a CO2 incubator. Have you heard about CO2 incubator? So it is for the initial part, like incubate char or bakes, we can use. At the experimental level, it's okay. But you are working on a daily routine basis, then you have to go through CO2 incubator while in case of anaerobic condition. Yes, here the some tubes are being shown. What was there? That if you are working and if you are looking to some obligates, different kind of obligates. Okay, so it is coupled with carbon dioxide and oxygen gas. So where you are going to get obligate aerobics at the higher level. Okay, oxygen. So here the oxygen concentration of this cell. So upper part generate for over there oxygen transfer is not easy. So we can assume that the oxygen concentration is decreasing. So here the obligate aerobes, obligate anaerobes. That means obligate anaerobe is what? In the word obligate is to do that. Obligate that means 100%. So it is required only with condition. Let's let me tell you. So let me correct myself. That means they are only with condition. They are following one condition. Here the close chances are there that obligates thereof or the obligate anaerobe. When you are looking at the faculty, okay, that is all the oxygen without so it is in the layers you can observe. So here the slantations can be observed. So over here, how will we do using this phenomenon? Yes, needle is being used. Here we are using the certain patient. The wire is there. The wire is there. What you are using is maybe up to 2 centimeters. But it may be available for 5 to 8 centimeters. And coping is required in this with the support image. Coping otherwise but is not. So here it is facultative, then the obligate. Strict we are looking. Yes, this part is there. So loose fitting cap. It is similar to you are looking for button. Then you are looking for here we are not looking for then we are looking for Complicate error, spectral and error tolerance error. Yeah, this is they are not going to spectral complicate and error tolerance. That minor error. Some equations are there. Picture of error tolerant. That is the control rate. Speculative rate means they are growing very easy. Later switch on. Here the difference is what? Like before, aerobic and anaerobic switching is there. That means the metabolic pathway is going to differ. Actually, and by the way, the network over the another pathway, not a TCS like another pathway. You may know the way of fighting. That is speculative. Although you know the basic pathway is not there. Totally metabolic you are not going to get that is 100%. Other than that, one that is you have no options. But you can call that nearby places. Error tolerant facultatives that make sense. They may be narrow and narrow points. All the category that is the metabolic pathways that is metabolic pathways will change for their growth development, where the error tolerance is not. They remain anaerobic only. Okay, they cannot move into another pathway. They may go for the state of fiber because fiber is okay. Yeah, you are right. What he is asking that complicate anaerobes, higher concentration is here. Okay, catalytic anaerobes is achieved because they are looking for anaerobic condition, but oxygen is available. Okay, so catalytic anaerobes is like that. Okay, where they knowledge both are available, but certain issues are there. Those anaerobes, which are the wage levels will must. So people are in the public, in the faculty, like just take the example of people. The oxygen available is there, they will like to form the aerobic. Okay, because they are like they are like non-based laws or based laws itself. Options nowadays get exhausted, they miss. Here the term faculty enrolls will grow more because they like to get secure because yes, every condition after the TCA is going to be energy consumption, getting generation, getting high, okay, okay, this is warm turbulence, sorry. Down, upwards. 5 times you are doing, and the energy same thing will be there. What you will follow? You are looking to go on the ground floor, or you are going to look on the sixth floor will be follow. This one is the sixth floor. You will like to go in a sixth floor. You like to go in a ground floor. Okay, energy consumption will be more. The gain will be the same. Okay, so people solid and the ground, right? So the ground. Same thing is also. Okay, and energy saving also. And what about this error tolerance? Error tolerance means they are looking for only tolerance power. That you have to focus. For example, but here what we can see the event. Okay, because required more or less taken with oxygen. I hope now the difference between C and D is clear. Can you now? When you look, when I'm talking just a micro terminology, will be so example. Whether you compare it from or when you are looking at the activity, so it's sometimes the picture I which makes for our microbiology of diversity. They will think it's not like microbiology. And around there are microbes. Concern with the bacteria. Because this is the first sign when something is micro, it is concerned with the bacteria. Just like micro they are required, they essentially require certain amount of oxygen. It is the not better or micro they require certain amount of oxygen like a very model is there. Then okay, then here is what air tolerance. Strictly US or strictly hundred. Taking where some of the land okay, so microaerosols that means they can tolerate certain amount of water, but required also for what the cycle is the biggest one. Yeah, canophiles. Canophiles, it is a similar to it. Okay, microaerophiles, that is similar terminology. The canophiles, so they required in different percentage. Okay, some different percentage of the oxygen, carbon dioxide, but they may require. While the different terminologies came, so the canophiles may require the nitrogen for their growth. Maybe another ammonia. Okay, many other gases are there when you are looking for to classify them into all together. So they are coming in that category. Okay. Maybe you have any questions? I'm going to give that attendance link again. Okay, so this was the last topic over there. You can put your attendance over there. I hope topic is clear now. And that is what I'm telling. So many things are there. Nearby terminology will come. You may read books, sites and sites. Just not take one or one. Okay. You may require a certain purpose. Don't just go and Yeah, there are some questions to ready also. Some literature, often quality email. Just don't before the Google. Google instance are fine. Okay, just first read whatever you are right. Don't do it. Okay, it may have been the proper you are maybe in the another concept. Files which they require different amount. Different amount of energy they require 10 to 15 amount of CO2, 10 to 50% oxygen or other gases. So these are very specific. So let me say like veg, non-veg, seafood, everything they if it is there, they will be. Every one of these it is different. We cannot speak in a only one condition. Minor amount is required. But this kind of plants are required. If it is not going to be given, then and it is really difficult to isolate. You can't know them when they will grow, when they are start to respond. That's the main. Well, if any questions more is there, you can contact me later also. Not a problem.